Hello everyone, I'm back with another video with DBMS queries. And today we're gonna see our exercise number 5. It is based on subqueries and views. And we have at least 15 queries in this exercise. We're gonna answer each of these queries line by line. So let's get on with it. So I've already typed in the queries before in the notepad for easier process. Now let's see what are the queries and we'll try each of them one by one. So first query is find the names of the customers who have ordered for a cherry and a red oak finish. So select the customer's name from customer where customer.customer ID. I've used a subquery inside that. Inside a subquery I've used another subquery, and inside another subquery I've used another subquery. This is known as nested subquery. Subquery is a query inside another query. So in the last query I've put it as product material equal to cherry or product material is red oak. So let's try this, see whether it works out or not. No, there is no such product which has been ordered and which is of cherry and red oak type. Let's see our next query. Find the names of the customer who have ordered for the product table lamp. And this is using a multi-line subquery operator. So let's see how it is done. Customer name from customer, customer ID in order one table, and order ID in order quantity table, then product ID in product ID table, and the product dot description is table lamp. These are all the subqueries, and use the in operator since it's a multi-row operator. And there's no such thing as table lamp which has been ordered by any of the customers. Now find the details of the customers who ordered for the product ID 1000. Let's see whether they exist using exists. So where exists product ID 1000. This is a subquery. Yeah, and this is the answer for that. Now a fourth query is find the suppliers whose total supply quantity is greater than some supplier called S3. So we don't know some supplier called S3's quantity. So we're gonna find, this is the inner subquery of that. For supplier name, we're gonna find a link between those. So product ID, any of that from product ID of order quantity, and using order quantity where supplier SID is equal to 3. So from this query we got the answer for the outer query, and like that we have got chain of queries. This is also answered. Now the fifth query is find the suppliers with the highest rating using all. So I've used highest rating as the order quantity for this thing. So this is which has supplier who has the highest rating is which has the supplier who has the highest quantity in them. So let's try this out. And A is the supplier name is AA is the answer for this thing. See, I've used the max of order quantity dot ordered quantity. So max of all the ordered quantities is that supplier's name. Now the sixth query is display the products that are same as the product ordered by Kathy Cook. So let's see what duplex bookshelf is the answer for this thing. Now seventh query is display the supplier details whose supplied quantity is greater than the quantity ordered by some person. That's ordered by order ID of 103. So supplier PID in product ID in order quantity greater than all whose order ID is equal to 103. This is the query within a subquery within a query. Let's see, and it is answered here. Now our eighth query is display the ordered quantity of the orders whose order date is greater than order date of order ID 106. So let's select this. Let's see where it works out. and there are no rows such. Now the ninth is select customer name where customer ID in order one customer ID from order one table, order one dot order date in, select order one order date from order one whose customer ID is equal to 4. Now let's see how it works out. And these are the customer names. Now display the customer details whose rating is greater than supplier CCC. This is supplier CCC. These are all subqueries to create link between each of these tables. It's similar to all the left joins or the join operations. Instead of joins, we're using subqueries here and reaching the final query, the subquery. So there is no such thing as that. Now here they have asked to create. Now we're going into the concept of views. In views is like what do you call a fake table kind of, not fake. It's a part of a table. It's a view of that table. Okay, it's a virtual table from within a table. So create a view v1 to display the customer name, order ID, and quantity. So the syntax for that is create or replace view v1 as the subquery using, and here I've also used joins to create that view. And the view is created. Let's describe that view v1. And this is the view as you can see. Now here we are going to create a view 2 which has order ID, order date, and date of delivery using the same syntax. And the view is also created. Let's see our view. And it is created. Now they are asking to insert a row into the above view and whether it is updatable or not. So let's try to do that. View is like a normal table, so let's see whether it works out or not. It might show us some errors. So yeah, we cannot modify a column which maps to a non-key preserved table, so it is not allowing us to do that. Now here they are asking to create a view with customer name, order ID, and order date from view from v1 and v2 views. Let's see whether we can create a view from. We have created view from another table, but let's see whether we can create views from other views. And yeah, we can do that. Let's see that table. Now let us try to delete some row from a view, whether we can do that or not. And it's showing cannot delete from view without exactly one key preserved table. So hence we cannot do that. So hope you guys have enjoyed this video and learned something from it. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Have fun. Enjoy. Bye bye.